Oh, how's it going, guys? Well, it's your boy Emerson Fleming, and today we are going to make Chef Boyardee. Okay, let's do it. We open this. We got a plate right here. Usually I just do like this. And if you have weak fingers, you can just go like that. I'll just throw that somewhere. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, we got our plate of cold Chef Boyardee. And a microwave for like 2 minutes. Okay, all we have to do now is just wait. Okay, it is ready now, guys. Looks hot. Okay, we got our Chef Boyardee right here. Look at that, that looks delicious. We got our can of Coca-Cola right here. Okay, now let's eat. Well, it's actually pretty good. 10 out of 10. But do you know what it needs? Some hot sauce. Is that some hot sauce? Okay, we just like mix in. Need some more hot sauce. Okay, bye. Have a good day.